Welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in today's tutorial I'll walk you through how to add, edit and delete contacts using Gmail's built-in contact manager. Managing your contact list efficiently helps you stay organized whether you're communicating for work or personal reasons. Let's dive right in. Start by logging into your Gmail account on your computer. Once you're signed in, look towards the top right corner of your screen and click the grid icon. This is also known as the Google Apps menu. From the drop-down that appears, scroll down and select Contacts. This will open up the Google Contacts interface where you can manage all your saved email addresses and phone numbers. To add someone new, click the Create Contact button located at the top left of the screen. Next, choose Create a Contact from the pop-up menu. A form will now appear where you can enter details like name, email address, phone number, and more. Once you're done, simply click Save, and all the new contacts will be added to your list. Now, to make a change to a contact, scroll through your contact list or use the search bar to find the person. Hover over their name and then click the pencil icon that appears on the right side. This opens up the edit screen. Here, you can update information like email addresses, names, or job titles. After making the change, don't forget to hit that save button in the bottom right corner to apply edit. And finally guys, to remove someone from your list, go back to the main contacts page. Find the contact you want to delete and click the checkbox next to their name. Then head up to the three dots at the top right and select delete from the drop down. Confirm your choice and the contact will be removed automatically. Remember guys, for better organization, you can create labels like work, family, and group your contacts accordingly. This makes it easier to send emails to multiple people at once without typing their names one by one. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.